Okay, just bear with me while I get set up. Okay. Funny how okay, welcome back. What I want to do is to look at okay, welcome back. So I'm just trying to get the camera into focus. What I want to look at certificate in electrotechnical technology, City and Guilds 2330. Now remember that this number may have changed, but the technology and the knowledge still remains the same. Okay. So we're going to look at units 1, 2, and 3. Now, I haven't put up the questions for these just yet, but the questions will follow, and they will follow in their own right. This is just for you to be aware of that you will need to be using these, okay? Now, the answers are here. Answers to all calculations in all units, okay? And there's quite a number of units. It's okay. It's a lot of my blanking out to make sure that I do not infringe on any copyright materials, okay? Now here we have Unit 1, Outcome 4A, Session 1. Now what we're looking at here is the resistivity of material, okay? I equals rho L over A. Assume that resistivity is at 20 degrees Celsius, okay? Now this is not something I'm going to run through with you. You need to be doing this for yourselves, okay? So this is just to provide you with the information that you will need to get this done, okay? Again, I won't be doing these calculations. Here you can see 10 to the minus 8. I equals rho L over A. Okay, so you need to identify what is 1.724 times 10 to the minus 8. What does it represent? That is for you to find out, okay? You should know a lot of this already, okay? To find the circumference of circles equals pi d. Now, why does that equal pi d? Okay, it's alright, I was thinking of something else. Now, answer size 1.5, okay? Now, here is the questions that you are looking at. Some of these relate to questions that's been asked in section 7. Okay, all I'm doing here is providing you with the answers to those. Let me just see if I can bring this to the side a bit more, make sure that it's in, and I'm not having to overstretch anything. Okay. Okay. Now each of these here, 1 over RT equals, now obviously this is resistors in parallel, okay? Now when you multiply this, do you get that? Confirm for yourselves, okay? Thank you. Nothing a lot here for me to tell you or to say. A lot of this you should already be familiar with, okay? And it's showing you here the transposition of your formulae, okay? Okay. Okay, I hope you will find this useful. Bye-bye for now.